Alright guys, got a quick and easy one here. Just a one pole shot. We got our terminal there and this house we're going to install here. Alright. Walk through it. I've already done the walkthrough. The customer doesn't have a basement, so we're going to be putting the ONT in living room right where that white cable line's going in. He wants me to use that same hole. We'll remove the copper line and replace it with our fiber. Let's go. Say 150 will do it here. Probably could use 100, but got 3 jobs today. I don't want to leave myself short and redo it. I don't know about you guys too, but this freaking wheel, man, sometimes it's not really that accurate. Zozen, maybe I got a crappy one. Could be measuring in centimeters. The European version. Get this going. Leftover trash from yesterday. Guys, I keep seeing this messenger left on the line. Not sure why we can't take it off. It takes literally 2 seconds and it looks a lot cleaner up at the pole. Look at that one there. Why not just cut it off? I'll take it down for you. I'm willing to bet the caps aren't connected too. Let's see when we get up there. Right. Whoa! So you got a compost there, or garden? On the leaves? Is that garlic? Okay. Yeah, so if I'm on the leaves, I'll be okay?
Yes, the leaves are fine.
Okay.
Yeah, they but you can step in between.
Yeah.
You're making it stay, somebody to run around and chase.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, this is his spot. He likes to poop too.
Okay, thanks.
Watch walking around there.
Will do. Appreciate it. I'll set it there for now. Hey, bud. Set up field side. You see, somebody couldn't take the time to cut the messenger off. I'm willing to bet the caps aren't connected. Let's see, guys. Yep, caps aren't connected. Tie off and I'll fix that. My old drop. Whoop. That there. And off there. And up. flat just in case a car comes by. See, I don't get it, man. It really takes only a couple seconds to clean this up and make it look a hell of a lot better. Pick up all our trash. Look at that. These together. Our Simon's port 2. Our caps together. Going up here. Oh, take care of our trash. Stuck on the gutter. Come on, gutter. It's gonna be good. That should do. Real short one this morning. Beautiful weather. Probably won't use those. Flex clip all the way down. New shirt all dirty. Looks like we can use that again. rid of all this old copper. That stuff will never be used again. For this, alright guys, like I said, a quick easy one. I'm gonna go put my light on this, find it in the hub, come back, run in my soft drop, hook in my ONT, and then we'll be gone. Alright guys, we're back from the hub. We gotta test our light here. I was reading about 1364 on channel 1577 at the hub. Let's see what we're getting here at the house. 1394. So not much of a drop off. That plugged in. I already got my soft drop ran it in through that old coax hole. Okay. Alright. Grab this so that doesn't kink on us. There we go. Where did I put my screws? There she is. That's it, guys. Nice easy one. All I got to do is put in the equipment, activate the Wi-Fi, and be off to the next one. See you there.